Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 610. So let's get things started. Alright, so what I mentioned yesterday, I'm actually in the midst of moving house, still shifting a couple of things between the two places I've stayed. And yeah, so because of that, I'm recording a video again the next day. Today is actually the 3rd April itself, but I'm still considering the 2nd April itself. So looking at the daily candle close itself, I would say that it definitely looks to be a little bit more bullish than expected. So you can see it very nicely forming support right over here. So over here we are forming a support at the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart, along at the horizontal resistance potentially turning into support, and has shown signs of supporting as well. So on the shorter time frame wise, I definitely do look to enter a long side trade, and I've actually entered a long side trade in terms of systematic trading approach. But bearing in mind that I'm not entering any long side trade for price action right now. Alright, so and I was mentioning, okay, so basically if you look in terms of this market structure wise, it's in between literally a rock and a hard place, simply because right above there you got a support potentially turning in resistance. We're actually consolidating right over here. So we actually do break below there, then tentatively you'll be bearish. But if we do actually break towards the upside, I'll tentatively be bullish in that sense. But if personally you are going to be more able to be monitoring on a consistent basis, I'll be looking to enter a long side trade. So you somewhat look into something like this. Break above them, and then the support over here, and then potentially you could continue ride it towards the upside in essence itself. So this would be a potential pullback trade. Maybe after today, after I shower, I'll take a look, but this is a potential trade that I'm looking right now. We're looking for a pullback trade. Alternatively, I would prefer to look for a consolidation trade, whereby we consolidate right above here to form somewhat like ascending triangle before we potentially push towards the upside of things. So yep, otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop your comments below. Otherwise, there is some big changes in terms of the balance for main trading setup, but nothing too much of a significance. So if I'll probably update it, I think tomorrow or something. I'm still trading in terms of the expect, but I'm just not having the time to update in terms of the manual Excel chart itself, actual Excel card sheet itself. So if that's it, I've done my ML today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.